Come on, man. You hear me there? That motherfucker hopping, y'all. That motherfucker hopping, man.
That AP on my hand. See Terrell the go up fan. All these pussies got no muscle.
Good, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Vlog of the day at the cabin, at the camping trip. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all I was gonna film this shit. I want this vlog to at least, you know what I'm saying, 25 likes. If y'all can get me to 25 likes, I'm telling you, bro, I'm gonna be dropping back to back while I'm on the camping trip. Keep it 1,000 with y'all, but y'all stay tuned. Like and subscribe and hit that bell, man. Other than that, let's get straight into this video, man. It makes sense to, you know what I'm saying, cook all the food. You know what I'm saying? That way we ain't gotta really worry about, you know what I'm saying, cooking tomorrow or whatever, because you got all the food on the grill, you see what I'm saying? Say what up to my vlog, man.
Fuck this world.
Oh, yeah, fuck the world, nigga. Y'all already know, man. Fuck this corrupted ass world. But shit, we out, you know what I'm saying, vacation and this shit. You know what I'm saying, living life, nigga. Like how y'all should be doing, connecting with Earth. Connecting with nature in general, bro. But I'm finna show y'all around this shit, you know what I'm saying? Show y'all the cabin and shit. Hold on. Right now, I'm just, you know what I'm saying, walking around this bitch. This bitch decent as hell. It's called, you know what I'm saying, Cabin Fever, Campground, some shit like that. I ain't gonna tell y'all the location because I don't want motherfuckers pulling up and shit. But this the cabin and shit like that. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Y'all gonna get better footage and shit. I need a motherfucker hold the camera for me. Keep it 1,000 with y'all. Oh, come in. So this is like a tour of the cabin. We got the bunk, you know what I'm saying? We got the bottom bunk, you know what I'm saying? Fun up there, we got that. You be up there. You be crawling up there.
Big back shoes.
Look, y'all, this one I'm sleeping at right now. I ain't even got no damn sheets. But anyway, y'all get the concept of the tour. You know what I'm saying? Like, it ain't really too much. Y'all see it? Yes, sir. Y'all can't see me. I'm black as hell. You know what I'm saying? I'm blacker than that motherfucker. Keep it 1,000 with y'all. Mind your phone ringing. Alright. Hold on, y'all. Oh shit, they having a motherfucking sword fight. Y'all look at that. Look at that. Look, they having a sword fight. Y'all can't even see my black ass. But look, they having a sword fight. Look, they trying to stab me now, look. Hell no, I'm dead, y'all. Crip, they up there trying to have a sword fight.
No, because you won't let me talk you back. Come on, y'all can't run up on me when I could.
Hell no, how y'all go double tag mama? Y'all bogus. They up here trying to double tag my mama with the swords. Anyway, you know what I'm saying, we just living it up, bro. Like I said earlier, like y'all should be doing. Keep it 1,000 with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Connecting with Earth, connecting with nature in general, y'all. Keep it 1,000 with y'all.
Stop.
For real. Look at him. Look. Y'all quit? Y'all done with the swords? Don't try to stab me with that damn sword.
It's plastic. The way y'all used to beat each other with these things.
I know.
Just used it for a flashlight.
Stop,
Yeah.
nigga. No.
Y'all stop it. And watch your mouth, Slim.
Shit.
Man. Y'all comment down below what y'all got going on for the 4th. I want to know. Down here, they not even doing the motherfucking fireworks. That's some bullshit. You know what I'm saying? I think we should do a protest. What y'all think? That's some lame ass shit. Chris, what you think about that though? Like, for real?
It's bullshit.
That is some bullshit. Like, really, bro? No fireworks on the 4th? Like, what type of shit is that?
You should have bet you whatever you got.
Damn, man.
Why the fight keep going down?
Why are you taking it apart, man? I thought you were allowed to
No, I didn't. Mama.
What?
It wasn't me.
Oh, I thought you should have hit me.
Y'all want to see if we can go catch a frog or something?
Yeah.
Y'all, we finna see if we can go catch a frog. You know what I'm saying? A toad. Shit, last time when we was here, we had caught a toad, but yeah, it died and shit. Uh-huh. I'm finna come over here, chop it up with y'all right quick. You know what I'm saying? Ain't not really nothing going on, bro. For real, for real. You know what I'm saying? It's nice out here. Like I said, I recommend y'all come here. It's called Cabin Fever. Look, we got fireworks popping right now as we speak, but shit, we can't have them down at the riverfront this year, so we're just gonna do our own shit. Kill the dogs on y'all. Never heard of that shit. They switching it up. That's something new. For real. Wow. Hey. Doing good, man. How about you? Uh-huh.
I don't know if they're using for fireworks or
Yeah, right.
huh?
You said what?
Are they shooting off some kind of
I don't know.
pardon?
I said I don't even know. I don't know where it's coming from.
Right there at the cabin, isn't it?
I don't know if it's coming from over there or what.
I thought it sounded like it's right there.
Probably is. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't
If
know.
it's with your cabin, tell them to stop it or they'll have to leave because we don't allow
Right,
any kind
right,
of
right.
fireworks.
Yeah. I'm gonna let them know, man.
Okay, anything that
I
sounds
don't-
like a gun,
Right.
any of that shit.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yup.
All right.
Appreciate it, man.
Yep. I don't want to hear it 5 minutes from now either, so make sure you let them know. Okay?
I ain't got you on camera, bro. You ain't got to worry about that.
Well, I don't care about
Yeah.
being on
Okay.
camera.
Okay.
I don't care.
All right.
Nothing about
I was just
that
making
at
because I
all.
know how people is. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Plus, I do YouTube and everything, so
Yeah.
I vlog.
Okay.
But I'll let them know, man.
I appreciate it.
Yep.
Thank you.
So yeah, man. Like this already like they gonna get us kicked out of shit. Hey, y'all stop doing that shit. Stop, Crip. Y'all gonna get us kicked out. Dude just came over here and talked to me about that. Y'all stop popping the fireworks, man. He said anything that sounds like a gun, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you gotta stop popping the fireworks, man. Yeah, he shows like, is this coming from your cabin? I was like, I don't even know where it's coming from. I was like, it could be coming from over there. I don't know. All right. Yeah. Nah. Shit, I'm gonna end it right here, and I'm gonna vlog some more tomorrow, y'all. I'm gonna get back with y'all. Love y'all, man. Y'all, we found a frog. It's a big one too. Yeah. And it's raining too. Yeah.
I want to pop it on here so it can't escape.
Come on, man. That motherfucker hopping, y'all. That motherfucker hopping, man. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on. It's raining like a motherfucker, y'all. And I'm getting rained on. Oh my God. All right, y'all. We found a frog. You know what I'm saying? Victory. Fuck talking about. Y'all, look at the geeses, man. They came out this morning to say what's up. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think that's dope. I'm keeping 1,000 with y'all. Like, look at them. They all on the motherfucking line and shit. This shit is cold. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This shit dope. All of them in the motherfucking pack. You know what I'm saying? Never leave your peoples behind. This a real definition. I'm keeping 1,000 with y'all, bro. That's a real definition. Yeah, we could walk around over there to the deck. Y'all, I'm finna go over there and chill out on the deck. You know what I'm saying? It's finna be dope. Keep it 1,000 with y'all. Marching all the way over there and shit. With all these sticks and shit, bro. Y'all comment down below if y'all jumping that. Would y'all jumping that? You know what I'm saying? There's hella fishes up in there, water snakes. Y'all comment down below if y'all do that shit. Like, for real. Hey, Samantha or Selena. What? I need y'all to record me getting out on the deck. Like, hold it like this. On the deck, you know what I'm saying? And y'all comment down below if y'all jumping this. Hella water snakes, fishes. You know what I'm saying? Y'all comment down below because I really want to know. All right, y'all, we back. I'm finna go on the second deck. So, yeah, that should be fun. And I'm gonna take some pictures too. Y'all already know. Look at that. Y'all telling me that ain't beautiful right there. Keep it 1,000 with y'all. Look.
My legs.
Y'all comment down below, man. What y'all think? Like on some real shit. All right, y'all. So I'm on the second deck. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know y'all see this. Yeah, man. I know y'all see that, bro. Like, for real, look at that. Look at all that. Yeah. Nice out here.
I'm literally wearing mom's shoes.
For sure.
AV shit, nigga. I take my blick into space. Niggas get put in a vase. Don't give a fuck about the case.